Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So this is your Walgreens preview for the week of April the 13th to the 19th, and this is an excellent week. We have a lot of cheap hair care along with 2 freebies, so yes please, and thank you so much. I'm really enjoying this week over at Walgreens. If you could do me a huge kindness, guys, and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up. Just helps out the video and the channel to ensure that things are right on track. If you guys could please give the video a big thumbs up, I would be so grateful. Now, right off the cuff, we have this, which is a 15% off. This is online only, so we're going to have to investigate this as the week marches on. And let's please treat this video as a preview. The full ad, along with all of the digital coupons, will be published on Sunday the 13th. You'll be able to load all of the coupons and see, what's what right on Sunday the 13th. Now, this first one, I'm not sure if it's a typo or what they're doing, but $3 for this different skincare. If you suffer from acne, you know that is a crazy price point. This stuff is usually like 17 or 18 bucks. IBOTTA also has a $3 rebate back that you can do a limit of 2 times over at Walgreens. It would make 2 of those completely free. This is one we have to investigate on Sunday because that price point seems crazy. So is it a typo or what? Have a very high value Dove coupon, which is an 8 off of 2. Even if you're not interested in the deals, load that coupon because it's quite fantastic. So for this one, I'm going to grab 2 of the Dove men's, and of course I'm doing this in store because it's a register reward deal. 2 of those will be 16. Subtracting your digital coupon, you're going to pay 8. Get back a $3 register reward. Plus my Fetch Rewards has a spend 15, get back 3. And I'm going to achieve that. So it'll make it $2 for 2, or $1 per body wash, which is a very good price point. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. And yeah, it's just a great little deal. And I'm going to show you my Fetch Rewards. It's for the men's product, and this one's ongoing till the end of the month. And as you can see, if you can zoom into that, I have 2 cents left to achieve that. So I am going to achieve it with the purchase of the 2 Dove men's body washes at Walgreens. Next deal that we're looking at is this one, and we're looking for the $4 Crest products. $4 reward when you purchase 2 with a 3 off of 2 digital coupon. Again, we're doing this deal in store. All these deals are in store because they're register rewards. So 2 of these dental care products, you're probably going to have to grab a floss and a paste for 8. Subtracting $2 digitals, a lot of us had that last week. You're going to pay 4, get back a $4 register reward, making it completely free. And if you're doing this with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash, pay down the balance to earn that register reward. Alternatively, if you want to use the 3 off of 2, if you only have that one, again, grab 2 products for 8, subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay 5, get back a $4 register reward, making it $1 for 2 or 50 cents per dental care product. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Now let's look at a deal with our friend Colgate for $4.50. That $2 probably going to be off of a brush and a paste. That's my prediction. So grabbing 2 of those products, it's going to be 9. Subtracting $2 digitals, $4 is coming off right there. You're going to pay 5, get back a $4 register reward, making it $1 for 2 or 50 cents per product. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. The Arm & Hammer is buy 1, get 2 for free, so it usually shakes it out to $2.49 per bottle, and it's usually the scent beads, the laundry pods, and the liquid detergent. So $2.50 per if you need to stock up this week, not a bad price point. Scott's is buy 1, get 1 50% off with dollar digital coupons. So I'm assuming if there's 1 for the toilet paper and 1 for the paper towels, this is how we're going to work this deal. Grabbing 1 of each, it'll be $7.50 for the 2. And $1 off of each, so we're going to have to double, triple check. We have those dollar digitals on Sunday. You're going to pay $5.50 for the 2 or $2.75 per toilet paper and paper towel. It's a very good stock up price. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. These sort of sensible paper deals we're looking to stock up on, so I would definitely do this deal if you're trying to build your stockpile of paper products. Moving it along, the next deal that we have is with the L'Oreal Elvive. That's 2 for $10. $4 reward when you purchase 2. Now, I had a 4 off a 2 digital coupon for the L'Oreal. So grabbing 2 of these for 10, subtracting that digital coupon, I'll pay 6, get back a $4 register reward, making it $2 for 2 or $1 per shampoo, which is a fabulous price point for this shampoo. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. And check IBOTTA in case a rebate might pop up for this guy. We never really know, but what a price. The Nexus and Shea Moisture is 10 and 16, and then we get a $10 reward when you spend 25. And we have an $8 coupon. So grabbing a $10 product and a $16 product, that's 26. Subtracting that $8 digital, you're going to pay 18. Get back a $10 register reward, making it $8 for the 2 or $4 per product. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Double, triple check the signage that it's a register reward deal as well. And check your Fetch app. Possibly, maybe, will there be a rebate for Nexus or Shea? Possibly, maybe, you'll get something back, making it even cheaper. And now we're looking at a deal for the Gain for $9.99, and we have a $3 digital on each. So we're going to grab 1 liquid and 1 pods for $19.98. Subtracting 2 $3 digitals, that's $6 coming off. So you're going to pay $13.98, get back a $4 register reward, making it $9.98 for the 2 or $4.99 per product. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster, but we're always looking for these cheap laundry care deals. Especially if you have Walgreens cash to throw into the mix, why not? The Persil and Snuggle for $5.99, $2 digital. It's going to make those products $3.99. Now, I know for both of those items, there were IBOTTA rebates floating around. Double, triple check, are they still there? This possibly can get to be even better of a deal. Honorable mention time. The first one goes to the Toms of Maine. This stuff is really pricey and a $2 reward when you buy 2. Hey, if you can find any of this on clearance, I would definitely test it out. Why not? If you love the Toms of Maine line to try and get something cheap. We have the buy 1, get 2 for free on the Walgreens Complete Home bags. So usually pay $2.79 for the first, and then the next 2 are free, so it makes it 93 cents per box of 20. Fantastic stock up price. The 7-Up A&W Canada Dry, 3 for $11.99. After that digital coupon, it's 3 for $10.99. That is a stock up price. And our best friend, the Doritos, are 2 for $7. We're definitely going to have to figure out a curbside deal for that one. I know a lot of people really like the Doritos chips, so we'll have to figure out how to get them on the cheap, possibly on Monday. That's it for this video, guys. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.